What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we are going to just make some edit. Okay, so we are totally done with the hire me page. We don't have to add anything right here, but what I want to add is I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna hit go to dashboard, and I want to change the my main page. Okay, so I want to make some changes. So if someone clicks to hire me, he should be taken to this page, he should be landed to this page, and if he's on desktop, it should pop up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here, go to dashboard. Okay, and I just want to go to the all pages right here, and I want to go to the home page. So I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit edit. I'm just gonna come here, edit with Elementor, and it's gonna take me here. So you can see that it is taking me to the Elementor page, and here I want to edit it. So if someone clicks this hire me button, he should be redirected to /hire-me. Okay, and if someone clicks this button as well, he should be redirected to /hire-me. Okay, I want to add one more section right here, so that if someone wants to follow me on social profiles, he can also follow me on social profiles, because for resume website or for personal websites, you should be having a social profile. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit add a new section. I want the full section, and this is the section right here. So I want to bring this to top before here. Okay, here we go. This is right here. I want to add the title right here first. So I'm gonna come here to this guy right here, and I want to bring the heading. So for title, we want to bring the heading. Okay, and this is right here. I want, or just come here. Let's just come here. Let's duplicate it. Let's drag it, and let's drop it. Let's drop it right here. So you can see that this is right here. I want to come here. I want to go to style, and I want to change the color to be black. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to what I can do to follow me on. Okay, and there we go. I want to add some links right here below. So what I'm gonna do, I just want a new column. I want to just come here. I want to hit add duplicate column, not this. Okay, let's just come here. Let's hit delete, and let's add a new section right here below. Or let's add a column. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna come click this guy right here. I want to drag the column. I want to drop it right below. Okay, so these are the columns right here. I want some columns, so I want to come here to this guy. I want to drag the social icons. I want to drag it and drop it right here. Okay, so these are coming right here. So I don't think so if I need any of these columns. So I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna remove the column. So you can see that this is coming right here. Now what I want to edit this. So I want to add some more items. I can add WordPress. I can add so many. So let's add some. So the number one we have is Facebook. Then we have Twitter. We have Google Plus, and then we have so it can be Instagram. Okay, and I want it to be Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Instagram, and then we have the LinkedIn. So then I want one more, and that is going to be, what can we add? Social. Okay, let's just go down. YouTube. Okay, cool. So we have these right here. Okay, now what I want to do, I just want to give some gapping right here. Okay, so that we have some more gapping. I also want to drag this guy right here. I want to duplicate it. I want to drag this right here, and I want to drop it here. So here it is. I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna change the color of it to be black. Okay, and I want to give some spacing. So for spacing, I want to come here and hit edit section, and I want to go to advanced and the margin, not the margin but the padding. So I want to give the padding from top. So from top I want to give um, 30 pixels. So 30 pixels has been given from top, and you can see 30 is not enough. I want more, so it is now, I think 50. 50 looks cool. Okay, I also want to give some padding to the bottom, so let's add some bottom right here, and this is fine. 28, 29. Okay, now this is cool. Okay, I want to come here to this guy right here, and now here I want to go to the shape. So shape can be either square, shape can be rounded, or shape can either be circle as well. So I think I like the circle one. And then I want to come here and I want to add these links, so you can add these links later on. I want to come here to the Instagram one, and let's just come here to style and official color, or just choose the custom color. So I want to go with a custom color. I don't want so many colors, so let's go ahead, and the primary color is gonna be white. Okay, and or sorry, we can go with the primary color to be blue, this one that we have right here. So this looks great. Okay, so make sure that you follow the theme of your website. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna increase it a bit. So there we go, it looks cool. Okay, now I want to go ahead and I want to increase the size a bit. Okay, I want to give some padding. I think this much padding. So how the padding works is that this is the icon right here, and this is the overall covering. So you can give padding to these covering. You can see that icon is remaining same, but the padding is being increased. So this is how the padding works. Okay, so it totally depends on how much padding you want to give. I think padding should be like this, and the size should be smaller, and padding should be more. Cool. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to go with the spacing, so I want to give some more spacing right here. Okay, cool. This much spacing is fine, and now I'm done. Totally done. You can see that my follow me on is coming perfect. I'm just gonna come here to icon hover, and the icon hover, this should be turned to black. So there we go. You can see how my website is looking. I'm just gonna come here, and here, there we go. You can see it says follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Instagram, and then I have the LinkedIn, and then I have this YouTube. So everything looks cool. Then I also have the animation. So if you want animation to be, I think it should be grow. So if I click it, it is growing. So the growing effect is good. You can also go with the shrink. So if you click it, it's gonna shrink down. So it totally depends. I think grow looks cool because I want to keep my website as simple and decent it can be. Okay, and here I want to change the color to be the blue one. So let's go and follow the theme color. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit this, and I'm gonna increase this guy right here. Follow me on in this color as well. Let's just hit, and let's hit this. Let's come here, let's just click this, and you can see how it is looking. So it says follow me on, we have these icons, and then we have about me section as well. So I think this was looking great on black. We don't have to edit this, so I'm just gonna come here. The divider should be black, and this should be black as well. Okay, and what I want to give some more padding to the below section. So I want to come here to advanced, and the bottom section I want to give some padding to the bottom. So let's come here and edit this section. Okay, let's come here to advanced, and then we have the bottom section. I want to increase it a bit. Okay, and now let's see how this is looking. So now I think it is looking cool a bit. We have Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Instagram, and we have LinkedIn and YouTube. So everything is looking great. We have what I can do and everything. So you can add some content right here if you want to add. Let's add some content. I think this is looking cool. No problem, no worries. Okay, so everything has been added. I have our about me, what I can do, follow me on, and need a professional developer. So you can also add a portfolio that the previous work you have done. So you can also add that. We'll add that later on. Okay, and we're totally done with it. So stay tuned, guys, and in the next video we're going to be working up with the pop-up stuff. We're going to show how the pop-up is going to look on computer devices and how this is going to look on mobile devices. We're also going to do some mobile optimization, and then we're also going to make these link work so that if someone clicks here, should be about. So if someone clicks this, it's going to be taken to the about page, and if someone clicks this service, it should be taken here down. And then we have the follow me on, so we have to also make them work. And we can also work with the footer right here. We also have to change this as well, and that's all. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.